Hi, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. In the previous session, we have learned so many topics: order list, unordered list, definition term, or defined definition, definition or description. Both are the same. And now we are going to be learn, and the comments also we have learned. Now we are going to be learn about the attributes, HTML attributes. Attribute is nothing but here every tag HTML contents of the tag. In the tag, if you write any name and the value, that is known as here attribute. That is known as here attribute. Okay. HTML attribute provides additional information about the HTML elements. Additional information about the HTML. Okay. Suppose I am writing here. I will tell you HTML attributes. All the HTML elements can have an attributes. All the HTML elements can have a attributes. Every HTML tags contain a attributes. These attribute provides additional information about the elements. Additional information about the elements. And the attributes are always specified in a starting tag. Attributes occur as some always in the starting tag. You should not writing in the ending tag. These attributes usually comes in name and the value appears like name is equal to value. Attribute ఎలా ఉంటుంది name and value. The value is in the double quotes. The name cannot be changed. Always we have to write only the name only, but the value can be changed. Value can be changed. That is the use of here attribute. I am going to be show an example here. HTML. In the HTML tag, are you writing anything else? No, I am not writing anything here. Okay. The attribute are right inside the starting tag. Inside the starting tag. Suppose I am writing here body. Body. In the body, I am writing here welcome to attributes. Attributes. Okay. What is mean by attributes here? The attributes sorry attributes are used used to write additional information about the additional information or extra information about the tag. Okay. Additional information about the tag. Let us see how we are going to be write here. Slash slash body. Okay. In the body I am closing here slash. Without head also we can write. Okay. I am using here file save. I am saving this option here. What I have to write here? Attribute. Attribute dot html. Okay. Then I am saving this option. Go to save button. I'm clicking here. Okay. Attribute dot html and go to the become file layer. Okay. See here become file layer. Go to the web page of document of become file layer folder. In that folder you have here attribute. I am clicking this attribute. Okay. What you are going to get the output, let us see. If you not open this, right click, you are going to get a open it going to be open the page. See, we are going to get a page. See here, will they have any attribute? Suppose here this tag I wanted to change the color. Here I am writing here attribute, I am writing bg color equal to bg color is equal to, sorry, bg color is equal to red. I am typing here. That means this entire background is going to be changed. Let us see here. See here, this is known as here name and the value. Name and the, this is in the form of name and value. Name cannot be changed, it always bg color only, but the value can be changed. Instead of red I can write blue, instead of blue I can write green, instead of green I can write yellow. Let us see the output here. File, save. See, entire black, it is in the red color. See here, where I have written here, where I have written here, బాడీలో ఒక బాడీలో స్టార్టింగ్ బాడీలో రాశాను బీజీ కలర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రెడ్ అని. బీజీ కలర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రెడ్. దట్ ఈస్ సపోజ్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ చేంజింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంటూ blue or yellow. Okay, let us see here. File, save. Go to option, yellow. We are going to get an yellow color. Now, what is this here? The attribute. What is this here? All HTML elements can be attributes. HTML elements provides additional information about the element. అంటే ఏంటి, మనం బాడీకి అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రాసాము. HTML elements can have in the name and the value. Name and the value. Name cannot be changed but the value can be changed. Name cannot be changed but the value can be changed. That is the use of here HTML elements. Is it clear? చూడండి, బాడీ గురించి నేను రాశాను. బాడీ మొత్తం నాకు ఎలా ఉండాలి, రెడ్ కలర్లో ఉండాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ హియర్ attribute. Then attribute is in the form of name equals to value. Attribute is in the form of name is equal to value. These attributes are used to change the elements. Change the element. ఇప్పుడు బాడీ టెక్స్చర్ చేంజ్ అయిందా లేదా? దట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్. See, that is the use of here HTML elements. That is the use of here. First ఏముంది, no color. Now it's going to be changed to red color. Because what is the use? Because I used here bg color is equal to red. Bg color is equal to red. That is the use of here HTML attribute. HTML attribute. Suppose I am writing here red again or blue. Let us see what it happens. File, save. Then I am clicking here. See, blue. The content I wanted to change, the content where we have to write in the starting of the tag we are going to be write. That is the main use of here HTML attributes. HTML attributes. Hope you all are understanding. If you have any doubts, message me. Take a number with your coordinator or in the group you are going to be have my number. Regarding to that number, make it ping me all of you. Thank you, one and all.